well, this is a hunk of junk. This is the car that I ran in Orangeville, and then Dundalk, and then I let my cousin run this against me pretty much in Beaton. And the back of the Subaru really screwed up the back of this Camry. So much so that the factory gas tank mounted right there. So he was not able to make feature because of the gas tank. But I'm dumb enough to fix this thing and run it again. So the new rule for the next track for me is I cannot get hit in the back of this car. If I get hit in the back of it, it's garbage. So we've taken out that gas tank. We got the gas tank out of the Subaru. We're going to remove the whole fuel system out of this car and mount the gas tank to the floor. And then hopefully we'll see if the fuel system was the issue why this thing never really ran that good. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to put the gas tank out of the Subaru on the passenger side floor because there is no back left of this car. And then we're going to try to 9-wire this thing so it's kind of okay. Like it's never going to be actually okay. It's just going to be kind of okay. And then we have to fix a couple of things that Steven took apart underneath the hood. So let's get this thing going. Oh, and I want to tie the cage to the floor. The cage was never tied to the floor in this car apparently. I don't know why I didn't do that. We're going to get all that done here today. Now let's get the gas tank in so I can get it off the roof. It is raining outside, so I just kind of pushed the car half inside. And because I'm wearing shorts and it's raining and it's cold, we're going to have a fire just to try to heat this place up today. So let's get some work done on this thing. Well, this sounds like the voice of a defeated man, and you guys are right. The car is a piece of junk, and if this was a show that I actually cared about, I wouldn't take it. What I'm actually scared about is they're not going to even let me into the ring. They're going to say that they're scared about my safety. I'm going to tell them, listen guys, don't you worry about my safety. So Collingwood is heats and feature, so not only do I have to make it through the heat, I have to make it through the feature if I have any chance of winning this. So what we've done is we've 9-wired up the sub. And we got our height back. We couldn't put a tire back on this side just because of how tight it is, so I just have a rim. I got the new throttle body in. I got the gas tank moved. I did do a little bit of 9-wire. So this one here is to help hold the sub. This one here is to help try to hold the sub and stop it from going even farther that way through my pillar. We tied this pillar to the speaker deck, but I couldn't do that on that side. This side here, just trying to hold that subframe in because the subframe's not even attached to the car anymore. But we do have good ground height, which is good. That's a minimum. We got the fuel tank moved and tightened down to the floor with just some ratchet straps. We got the throttle body fixed because Steven needed the throttle body at the Derby, so I just gave it to him and went from there. So we are going to do a couple more things. We're going to check it for transmission oil. We're going to check it for... Oh. Is that a cut? No, that's good. That's good. Just dirt. We're going to check it for engine oil, transmission oil, brakes, all that fun stuff. And honestly, guys, there's not a whole lot more I can do to this car. It's one run away from being junk. So, you know what? I was going to tie the cage to the floor, but I decided not to. And the reason for that is if I tighten that to the floor, it's going to kink the roof, which will make the pillars go even worse. It'd be different if it was tied to the floor at the beginning and then had bars up to the dash and then a gas tank protector. It would have been a completely different story. But unfortunately, it's not. It's a different story. So we're going to try to go have fun. You know what, guys? I don't care if I win this. Just want to go have fun. That's all I want to do. So we're going to drive her outside. We're going to park her. It is Thursday. This car is Sunday. This car is Saturday. This one needs a lot more work, but I ran out of welding gases today. So we're going to be working on this one, but this thing is beat. Like, honestly, if this was a show I actually cared about, I wouldn't take this car. I'm going to have to protect the back of this thing unbelievably, and do not let people hit the back of it, because if you let people hit the back of it, it's dead. All the life is in the front of it, and that's where a Camry really survives, but I'm going to have to drive smart to make it out of my heat, and if you guys know me, I'm not really that smart. So we're going to have to try this. So what do you guys think? Do you think I'm going to pull out a half-decent victory with this, or even a finals position? I don't even know if I'm going to make it to the finals. leave a comment down below on how you guys think I'm going to do in this. I think I'm just going to go out in the track and have fun. I don't think I'm going to even probably make finals. It just gets, oh, no power steering fluid, so that's one fluid out, two fluid. It's got oil. But I just want to go have fun, guys. My life's been pretty shit this year, so I've been trying to get into the ring as much as I can because it makes me feel a little bit better being able to hit people. Some of you guys will understand, but yeah, life's been pretty overall garbage this year. So anyway, we're going to get back into that ring. We're going to go have some fun, so make sure you guys come on out and cheer for me, or wait for the videos to come on up and cheer for me there, or cheer for whoever you want. What I like doing with my buddies is when the cars are all in the ring, I pause the video, and if it's me and my buddies or my brothers, we try to pick the winner, and we'll put $2 bets on it. And then whoever wins gets the $2. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the videos. Hopefully I do half decent at this show. Thanks for watching.